As we come to an end here in this title, I just want to go over some of the benefits we saw in a SharePoint environment, specifically with regards to a document management solution, and then throw out some tips to you as you go and do this on your own. Let's start with some of the benefits, though. Well, you're going to reduce the time that you need for creating documents. That's obvious because you've got a team now. You've got that increased effectiveness of working with a team, and the team is working in a consolidated environment. There's a central repository. Everything's at your fingertips. You can use workflows to incorporate information into the associated process. That's how workflows work in a SharePoint environment. Big time saver. You've got automated alerts to help you keep things moving and on time. You've got the ability to review and manage tasks at any time during the process. You can just go in there and see how things are going. You've also got the ability to quickly find what you need. So the search capabilities in a MOS 2007 environment will save you a ton of time in looking for those materials that you need at that specific time in the project. How about the improved individual effectiveness as well in a SharePoint environment? You've got easy participation in document creation and management at any point in the process. People can get involved, they can be alerted, assigned tasks automatically, and it can happen at any time in the process, and the automation is going to save you tons of time and effort. You've also got time savings due to the reduced need for those team meetings that might happen on a regular basis. Because everyone's collaborating online, you really don't need so many meetings. You'll always have the right individuals chosen to participate since the solution is web-based. In other words, the physical proximity to other team members really doesn't matter when you're working online in a SharePoint environment. You've also got that easy retrieval and management of information thanks to the central repository we just spoke of. You can include individuals from outside the organization as well if you need to, because you're working in an online environment. So partners and consultants, etc., can be included in the solution. You've got common experience for all participants. Everybody sees the same thing regardless of their location. Here are some other benefits too that we noticed. For example, since the effort is collaborative, individuals have easy access to sites to view materials and the status. So anyone can go in, visit their sites, and see what's going on in the project. The long-term management of materials is also automated. It saves you a lot of time and effort, using those processes and workflows to handle the renewal and the disposition of materials over time. And of course, you can easily audit and control access to materials to comply with the requirements of the organization. That's all built into the environment. All right, here's a few tips as you go and create document management solutions on your own now. The first thing is to leverage Microsoft Office integration. It's right there in SharePoint. And it allows people to contribute while working in a familiar environment. There's no learning curve. They continue to work in Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and they can be connected to the SharePoint environment through those applications. Automate tasks as often as possible. Workflows, for example, make life easier for those involved and help the process run efficiently. Structure your portals and your sites to map to how people use information. People are going to use the environment if it's intuitive and easy to navigate. Make your templates consistent across initiatives, including key components in each and every one of them. Include all the necessary resources to support the process, so don't make the environment seem like it's complicated. Provide everything possible, all of the resources right there in the SharePoint environment, and people will use it. Create a training plan for individuals on the process and the environment, and this will save you a lot of time down the road too. The learning curve is short, but get it out of the way right at the beginning. And constantly monitor the solution's effectiveness and then adjust where necessary, because this will help you ensure the success of the project. So thanks a lot for watching. Hope to see you again in another title soon.